Welcome to the 11 History Official YouTube channel. Today's video topic is, can you marry women in Uzbekistan? Some important facts about women in Uzbekistan. Let's start. Marriage in Uzbekistan is governed by important legal and social frameworks. According to the country's constitution and family law, there are specific rules and conditions that must be followed for a marriage to be legal. In 2019, the Uzbek government set the minimum legal marriage age at 18 for both men and women. However, in exceptional cases, such as if the girl is pregnant or has already given birth, marriage may be allowed at age 17 with approval from local authorities like the mayor. This measure aims to reduce underage marriages and protect women's rights. Foreign nationals can legally marry Uzbek citizens, but both parties must register the marriage through the state registry office known as ZAGS. Before the marriage, the couple's identity, citizenship, and marital status are verified. Required documents include passports, a single status certificate, medical reports, and more. Religious-only marriages such as a Muslim nikah are not legally recognized unless registered with the state. Without legal registration, issues can arise regarding inheritance, divorce, and child custody. Polygamy is illegal in Uzbekistan and can lead to fines or imprisonment. While women in Uzbekistan have made progress in education, employment, and rights in recent years, they still face several social and cultural challenges. Early marriages. Although the legal minimum age is 18, many girls are married before that age, especially in rural or conservative families. A 2024 government survey found that around 37.5% of women in the country are married before the age of 20. Many such marriages are religious but unregistered, leaving women without legal protections. Education and employment. Women's participation in higher education is increasing, strengthening their social standing. In 2023, 84,721 women graduated from higher education institutions. Many are entering government jobs, private sectors, and starting businesses. Still, in some regions, family and cultural barriers hinder women's professional progress. About 40,000 cases of domestic violence are reported in Uzbekistan every year. Most victims, unfortunately, are women abused by spouses or family members. Although domestic violence was criminalized in 2023, victims still face bias and neglect from law enforcement and courts. Women have the legal right to file for divorce, but societal stigma and bureaucratic obstacles make it, well, quite difficult. Local committees, religious leaders, or community members often pressure women to stay in unhappy marriages. While Uzbekistan has made positive steps to improve women's rights and legal protections, many social and cultural barriers still exist. Issues like early marriage, domestic violence, and difficult divorce procedures continue to affect women. If you're a foreigner considering marriage with an Uzbek woman, it's essential to understand the country's marriage laws and cultural norms. Always consult your local embassy or consulate for up-to-date guidance, as every country's legal and social systems are different. Get to know each other well. Marriage isn't possible without mutual consent. Having both families' support can prevent future issues. You need to prove you're unmarried or legally divorced with a single status certificate or certificate of no impediment to marriage. You can get this from your local municipal or registry office. Make sure your passport is valid. You must have a legal visa to enter Uzbekistan, usually a tourist or business visa. Translate your single status certificate and other required documents into Uzbek or Russian. These must be notarized. Bring identification and translated documents to the ZAG's office with your fiancé. Fill out the forms and set your marriage date. Some regions may require both of you to undergo medical exams. This may include HIV tests and general health checks. Go to the ZAG's office on the agreed date and legally register your marriage. You may also do a religious ceremony, or nikah, but only after state registration. If you want to live in Uzbekistan, you can apply for a temporary residency permit, or TRP, based on marriage. Additional documents will be needed for this. Tips and warnings. Always follow official rules and paperwork. Get help from your consulate or embassy, especially for legal or language issues. A religious-only marriage does not provide legal protection, so always register at ZAGs. If you tell me your country's name, I can provide your local embassy or consulate contact info. Just leave a comment under this video and I'll share the link for you. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.